Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Nandan Kamath from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's my best friend Diksha Pai's wedding reception today. It's happening here in Udupi Hotel Diana. This is the sari from my wedding. I wore this on my pool muddi and after that I barely wore it I guess. So I thought today is the day. Let's wear it in her wedding reception. उसके शादी के नाम पे मैंने अपनी शादी के कपड़े पहन लिए because there is no other way to reuse it. So sometimes we feel we outshine the bride, but the reason we wear such clothes is because there's no other function to wear those grand saris. So when you feel close to that person, when you feel the wedding is your family wedding, that's when you wear such clothes. I may be wrong. The intention is not to outshine the bride. The intention is to reuse the clothes. This is my wedding full mutti sari. This is pure Kanjivaram sari which we bought in Salem, Tamil Nadu. And we reached the wedding reception venue. Thankfully, it was close to our house. Hey, hey. Otherwise, we have a history of coming late to every other function. Hi, Monamitaka. Hi, Surendra. Hi, guys. That's Diksha's brother, Surendra Pai. Okay. Looking very handsome, Surendra. Thank you. And that's Diksha's beautiful mother, Vidya Divya Pai. Hi Diksha, happy married life. Thank you. Deeksha and Giridhar. Me and Deeksha have been close for many years, so her family feels like my family. So it was more like a family wedding for me than a friend's wedding. Wishing Deeksha and Giridhar a very, very happy married life. These are my professors from MIT Manipal, Suma ma'am and Preeti ma'am. They are Giridhar's parents. The most awaited part of the reception is here, the food. This is rumal roti, which looked amazing. There is nonche, kosumbari, bibbe curry, rumal roti, and paneer sabzi. Then there was ghee rice and another type of paneer ki sabzi. These are traditional dishes, gullada mensinkai, and a dish called valval. This is called taikila ambado, that is bajji bonda made out of leaves. Now, can you guess what is this? Tell me in the comments. Is it kachori? Is it biscuit roti? What is this? Why am I crushing it into powdery form? Like, oh, what is this? This is sugar powder that is put on top of it. Can you guess what's this? This is called chiroti. This is a sweet dish which is famous here in Udupi, Bangalore side. You add badam milk on top of it, and now then this is how you eat it. Have you eaten chiroti? Do you like it? Tell me in the comments. I had a great time at the event. These are our common friends, Chaitanya and Aishwarya. And there was this beautiful sweet box also. Wedding reception of Deeksha and Giridhar on 30th November 2025. Also the lunch of this wedding reception was yummy again. I got to eat chiroti, which I couldn't eat another one. I wanted to eat another one on Diksha Sangeet night, but I couldn't eat that day. So today I got to eat chiroti again, which was yummy. It was crispy and simply amazing. There are 5 types of sweets: Kaju barfi, halwa. This is Kaju barfi, and then there is this. I don't know what you
This
call
is called
this.
gujia.
And then there is this curdy and motichur ke laddu. Yummy.
And here are some pictures from the wedding as well as the reception.
So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. But if you please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I have a new pimple here. Sad. Please hype me and keep supporting your girl Lakshmi Kamath vlogs. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.